Alright, let's check out some chart action for HPQ. If you're new to trading, check out the link below in the description. It's a trading view tutorial and it'll basically show you how to set up your chart like mine. Alright, so we're looking at HPQ and it's been traveling in this triangle pattern, something like this sideways triangle pattern. And we broke right here. And I talked about this like in my last video and stuff like that. And I've been targeting from right here to right here. So that takes us up to around $40, $41 approximately. And I had this green line right here because I wasn't sure if we were going to get resistance. We actually did get a little bit of resistance right here at this previous top right up here. And so I was curious. I talked about this on my last video too. And I wasn't sure if I should or not, but I ended up doing it. I took some profits. So let me draw this trend line going like this. Alright, so we were bouncing off this trend line. It went like this, and so when we got to the top of this previous top, I was thinking that it's probably going to come down and do a retracement, and so I took some profits like up here, and it started to pull back a little bit, and we bounced off this trend line. We didn't fully touch it, but we pretty much got to this area, and then we started bouncing up like fast. This one candle is pretty much, this candle is one day and then this candle was another day, so I didn't really have time. I wasn't paying attention, and by the time I know it, we're already up here. So I didn't sell my whole position, and I had bought back since COVID, which was around this area, and I was dollar cost averaging. I've just been putting money in general. I like HP too. I like this stock. I like the computers. Anyways, so I took some profits, and now I haven't pulled back my whole position. I pulled some profits, but I didn't pull them all, so I still have some in there. But I'm thinking I should probably re-enter for this little run from right here to maybe about right here. I'm not sure. It might do something like this where it's bouncing like that. I still think this target up here is pretty reasonable at $40. It was actually pretty cool because I bought a contract. I think it was somewhere in this area or something like that. It went down for a second right away, and then it started to come up, boom, 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 and then right here I sold the contract, boom, with that wick. It was like on this wick that the contract sold. It was pretty crazy, and then it started to go down, and I was like, oh, that's crazy, that's cool. And so that's why I was like, I wonder if I should take profits. I doubled down on the profit taking, and so right here took profits, and then yeah, so now we're back up here, and I kind of missed out. I probably would have been smarter to just leave it in there, and I talked about that in my last video. I was like, I don't know if it's going to be worth it to actually pull profits because it might just come back up. But yeah, so I think still we have this run going from here to here possibly. I mean, I really like HP computers like I was talking about, so I don't really have a lot of other fundamentals behind it. I know during the pandemic our company was ordering laptops like crazy, and I'm not really sure if that phase is kind of gone down, but I do think that more working from home is going to take place, so the laptops should be something to I don't know if that's their main focus of their company, so I'm not really sure about it, but this momentum is looking really good. We got a breakout and we have this pattern, so that's what I'm saying. I'm not going to go fully back all in because I'm going to take some of the profits off the table, but I think from here to here isn't a bad maybe idea, you know what I mean? And like I said, I like HP, so all right, like I said, let me know what you guys think. If you guys like that video, hit that thumbs up button.